जिसकी चर्चा काफी हुई थी। आईएसपीएल में सबसे ज्यादा चर्चा उसकी हुई थी। तो ऐसे कोई प्लेयर को पर्टिकुलरली पिक करने वाले हो जो टेप बॉल से अच्छा इन स्विंग आउट स्विंग, क्योंकि मैंने अभिषेक दिलोर जो लास्ट ईयर फर्स्ट सीजन में सबसे हाईएस्ट बीट हुए थे और वो ही फाइनल में परफॉर्म नहीं किए थे, जो एक एडवांटेज मिल गया था कोलकाता को जीत का, क्योंकि सबको ऐसा था कि मुंबई में अगर अभिषेक खेला तो ही फाइनल जीतेगा। अभिषेक ने परफॉर्म नहीं किया और कोलकाता जीता। तो आर यू लुकिंग फॉर समवन लाइक अभिषेक दिलोर, क्योंकि जिस तरह से वो गेंदबाजी कर रहे थे पूरे टूर्नामेंट की स्टार्टिंग
We
में।
have a nice like a team, and we have a panel. We have some experts, and we have lot of people looking at statistics and ideas, and हमारा काफी सोच समझ के एक plan बनाया है। और उसके हिसाब से there are specialists, of course, and there's tape ball specialists that we want, because tape ball is one of the most exciting overs. तो उसके हिसाब से we have a plan.
As the defending champions, would you want some of the games, not at least in this season or in the future, to be played in Kolkata as well, considering the rich heritage of cricket that Kolkata has, the popularity cricket has in Kolkata?
I mean, I'm sure we'll move. I mean, Calcutta is a passionate cricket crowd, and a lovely city. And I think since we have the name, it'll be a good idea. Yeah, I mean, of course, we would love to. A nice idea to travel around. So
We got registrations this year are going to be happening in 101 cities now, trials, increasing this number of cities also, and we will travel with the games to multiple cities in the coming years. The idea to do it here again is because the logistics allows us to have it in one place, and there was a public demand from everybody to continue with this place. And probably next year we'll move to Calcutta or Hyderabad for sure.
So here, जब आपको लेक्स है यहाँ पे, तो आपको पता है like you're really good as owners, क्योंकि your team are doing really well in IPL. So are you thinking to plan owning a team in IPL as well?
why not?
Why not?
And if you
Great
like,
idea.
what would the team would be?
The winning team.
Last question.
जी सैफ अली जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा हिंद समर्थन से शिवली रामपुरी कि आप क्रिकेट से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो असल ज़िंदगी में क्रिकेट को कितना पसंद करते हैं और क्या कभी कोई फिल्म बनाने का भी इरादा है क्रिकेट के ऊपर, जिससे कि क्रिकेट और ज़्यादा बढ़े?
Yeah, nice question. हम क्रिकेट से बहुत ही प्यार करते हैं, हमारे खून में है, और बहुत ही मतलब एक इतना ग्रेट गेम है, और हर लेवल पे मुझे टेस्ट क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, वनडे क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, T20 भी पसंद है, और टेनिस बॉल क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, गली क्रिकेट भी पसंद है, सब अलग अलग टाइप की क्रिकेट पसंद है।
चाहेंगे कि कोई फिल्म बनाए?
हाँ, मैं हमेशा चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत एक्साइटिंग स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म बनाना, बहुत मज़ा आएगा एक अच्छी फिल्म बनाने में क्रिकेट में। लेकिन अगर आपको ऐसे एक्टर्स मिले, क्योंकि वो क्रिकेटर्स जितनी खूबसूरती से गेम को मारते हैं, खेलते हैं, जिस हिसाब से फील्डिंग होती है, ग्रेट बॉलर्स जिस हिसाब से बॉलिंग करते हैं, अगर आप वो किसी एक्टर से करवा सकें तो आप फिल्म बनाए जरूर। Strategy meaning, I think we're planning to retain, based on last season, retain some key players, and unfortunately let go of some. We have a wish list, and the auction is still on. I came here, and we're doing well so far. But yes, you feel bad to let go. It's a winning combination. It did well. But the exciting thing is to सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि जैसे नए लोगों को एक चांस देना, और एक स्ट्रीट लेवल पे उन्हें एक स्टेडियम लेवल पर लाना is the core of the ISPL. ये सबसे exciting बात है।
And going ahead in terms of continuity, would you like to have this idea of having some sort of retentions in the number of squad of players?
I would like the idea of winning again, and to keep winning. So, but what is your question?
Like, would you want to retain certain number of players going ahead into the season, like 2 players retain or 3 players?
Yes, we would like to retain 4 players, to be precise.
Do you guys talk on cricket at on the dining table? I mean, do you come up with your opinions, strategies, and two of you?
About the ISPL?
Yeah, of cricket, of course.
And cricket, we do sometimes. I think we do talk about the ISPL and to be honest with you, we talk about the ISPL as an investment. Also that, and why it will be popular and how. My wife is very excited about the idea. But please, you speak. But we do talk about it.
I think it's perfect for Saif and me to be invested in the ISPL and be co-owners of Tigers of Kolkata as a team, because I think Saif, coming from a background of wonderful cricket, and for me also, I think to be together with Saif and own the team, I think it's really special. And thank you to Suraj for making it happen, and we're super excited about the second season because obviously we're entering as the winning team and hoping to always be the winning team and this time take the cup again. So the fight is on and the fight for the players are on, and I think we're already doing pretty well. We've got 2 of the ones that we wanted, and let's see, hopefully we'll have all the entire team that we want. And I think the first match is sometime in January. 26 January we start. तो आप लोग भी आओ देखने.
Sir, as you said, you look forward as an investment. How good is Karishma as a Kareena? Sorry. How good is
Karishma is very good.
Very smart.
Kareena? Yeah. Kareena के बारे में हम जानना चाहेंगे as a businesswoman, as an entrepreneur, like how is she, investment wise?
How are you?
I don't know. You have asked
Yeah.
the question. How am I?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगती है. As an investment, I'm invested.
Yeah, I'll ask you also, Kareena. Like, how good are you? Like, your hands on.
From the
I don't know how
From the.
as a business owner.
I think it's a great business prospect to us. That's why we are also co-owners of this team. And we want the ISPL to grow. That's the most important thing. Is that we're already confident of more and more people coming to see it. From the first season to the second season, I think there's a lot more excitement. So investment के तौर पर देखा जाए तो I feel very confident about it.
Like
What are your expectations for season 2? What are you expecting from season 2?
I think more the whole idea of any kind of season 2 and anything, even in our profession, in films, in even a web show or any season 2, you expect bigger, better. But it's like a sequel, right? Mainly it's happening because the first one was a hit, and you want the same thing.
Sir,
I like when people ask me a question, they should look away immediately. I always lose my track. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Sir, your thoughts on the league being expanded now to 3 weeks, and also now that it's going to be broadcast on Jio Cinema along with Star. So how big is that, and what's your thought on that?
Well, my partners think it's bigger, better, and more exciting than before. Like a good sequel should be.
And a question for Suraj sir as well. How excited are you for the upcoming season with the same things?
So we're very excited this year because we have more registrations that came in, more people want to come in, and we have 21 days of action now compared to what we had last year, and there are going to be performances every day and a lot of things for the viewers on stage as well as on the stadium.
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस साइड विशाल हियर. पिछले साल की मैं बात करूं, आप लोग की टीम फाइनल जीती थी और जिस तरह से पूरा टूर्नामेंट बीता था, एक जो गेंद थी, जो टेप बॉल की गेंद.
पीछे आओ ना यार, भाई पीछे बोलो तो मैं पीछे आओ. करीना जी, नवाब साहब, करीना जी, नवाब साहब थोड़ा इधर देखिए. नवाब साहब, नवाब साहब.
I know, nice. I have master.
आगे आगे
Guys, one second, रुक जाना. I know. Please. I know. Just take the video first. Suraj, go in. 1 second. आप जाओ.
Okay, guys. Yeah, thank you.
House secretary.